Well, if you didn't see the intro, then this is who Grandpa Shark is the one who did the intro. And guess what?
Well, we'll show that now.
Yes.
Hello, Green Shard Hunt fans. This is Grandpa Shark and Grandma Shark. We had a locker given to us in Salina, Kansas, so we're here to clean it out, and we'll go through it when we get back home and let Green Shark go through it.
Okay.
And all of this stuff is the stuff they swept off the floor, right?
Yep, that's just trash off the floor.
So this was in the back of his truck, and he brought this in.
And this is just the beginning of it. This wait till we unload the trailer, right? Let's do this.
This is heavy, Miles.
Oh, baby.
Are you ready to be grossed out?
Oh, it's a Cheeto Puff.
Did you load this stuff, or was this?
This was packed like this.
There's a Cheeto Puff in there.
Yeah, there sure is.
That is disgusting. If I find the bag in there, I'm puking.
Oh my. There's no television.
Radio.
That's a TV with radio. Clean that up and see what it does with the compass in it.
And if it works, we can have our own TV show.
Trashy shoes.
Oh,
This is just kind of a wad.
a lot of electronics. Okay, Dad, you're right, Grandpa Shark. This is garbage. Right? Let's see what I can fish out. Oh, I fished something out. You know what I'm gonna fish out? Wait, look what I fished out. The like and subscribe button.
A subscribe button.
So in 2 minutes, this will go off. What is that?
Patches.
You're not cooking.
Yeah, you.
Pork chop sandwiches. Are you supposed to play with fire?
No, viewers. And if you do play with fire, that's very dangerous, and it could burn down your whole house and make a fire. And if you're on the
Whoopee cushion.
let me have that.
Yeah, we need to wash it.
That is mine.
I know.
Wireless technology. Oh,
Ninja Turtles, but it's in bad condition.
yeah.
Oh wait, no, that's the back of it. Well, that's in good condition.
I kind of want it. Can I have it?
I'm sure you do want it.
Woo! Woo!
That makes you Leonardo. No,
Nardo. He's sensitive.
Why would you box up?
I don't know.
There.
Oh, yep, dead mouse. We're glad they stored their empty bottles.
Well, this was just trash.
Yeah. Well, we started off doing pretty good.
Kind of gone downhill since. Crap, I didn't even drink.
I know why I put mine over there.
Then I'm going to get a cocktail, vodka and ginger ale.
Oh,
What was it?
rock band guitar. In case anybody wanted to know what a rock band guitar looked like on the inside.
What? What is that?
Yeah, it was a rock band guitar.
Whoa. You think? 40 minutes now?
Look, it's just like they swept and put it in here with everything.
Why would they ever do that?
This is a conundrum, Miles. These people are.
Most of the stuff is just trash.
Oh. Oh.
What's that?
White sheet. That's not white.
We had to stop filming yesterday because it got too cold, but today's my baby sister's birthday and I'm making some profits out of it. There's lots of diapers, and guess what it's filled with? I would have to put
Yeah. Oh. This is a fruit cup that has turned into compost. It's still sealed. I've never seen anything like that.
How did that happen?
Can you believe in that little locker there's this many bags and stuff?
No.
I mean, look at those trash over there.
It was a 10 by 5. I never would have guessed.
Oh, don't look like much.
Just wood. Looks like just wood. And a can of beans. Oh, that's not bad.
Well, that's nice.
Screws.
Yeah?
Puppy! We found a bag of screws and making some bolts and some hinges.
Yeah?
Look. Dear Lord, if this video gets 25 likes, then Grandma Shark will eat this. No, Dad, it's actually so good.
Did she agree to that?
No.
I wish it lit this.
Oh my.
I think there's gold bars in there. Let's put this over here, Miles. See where I have those? Can you stand it up by those?
What? Why? Me and Poppy working together and she allowed us access to the complete bag. Nearly to the back. Right, Poppy?
I don't know if that's visible. But you were right about gold bars.
What?
What is all that?
Trash.
Like they dumped the trash can in it?
Yeah, there's like a battery charger here.
What's that pit?
MacTech, which I think is a decent brand, isn't it?
I think so.
Okay, is that worth money?
That is. I don't see much else.
But who knows? Here, look.
Okay, now what's that?
Oh, bench. I'm gonna go tell Meemaw that we found something actual money with.
There you go.
There's good stuff in there.
A nut driver.
I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
So,
Going good.
Okay.
I thought you guys didn't. But you're still on that suitcase?
It's taking forever. Okay.
This is literally a bag of trash. Did you know that bread could turn to liquid?
Huh?
Did you know bread could turn to liquid?
Oh, no. Oh, shit.
This is Disgust. Whether advising on your social life or on life's little messes, Disgust is there to, well, hold on.
Hot damn.
The other one?
Got the other one. Son of a
Same. two
I was,
same
I
size.
was gonna say, and this one's even in better condition. Man. Literal trash.
Yeah, literally empty their trash can into these things.
I don't know what the smell is, and I really don't want to get down to it and find out.
I can kind of smell it from here.
It's bad.
Find it?
Nope.
Man, that's getting strong.
Yeah.
I think you're getting close.
Dirty diaper.
Is that what the smell was?
Might have been. No, it's still in there. I was hoping that was going to take care of it. Ooh.
I lucked out on this one. What'd you find?
Nothing. I'm getting to the smell. Ugh. There it is.
What is it?
That's bread.
Huh?
That was bread.
Bread? Oh my God.
That's. Ugh.
Nope.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, dang it. More bread. Look at that. That's bread. That first bread didn't smell that bad. Oh, more bread. Look, that's bread. Liquefied bread. At what point do you just say enough? Yeah. Hey, I just can't get it through my head that they didn't have one thing valuable. You know?
Yeah.
After going through all the random Legos and other stuff we put aside from the storage locker, we did find one valuable thing. It was a Dusty Rhodes action figure, and we sold it for about $50 after taking out the fees and shipping costs. But here's the catch. The money we made just covered the cost of getting rid of 1 ton of trash at the landfill. And to make things worse, the $40 we spent on gas to do all this actually ended up making this whole thing a money-losing deal. Better luck for us next time.